Check the product's outer packaging for any damage. If packaging damage is found, take photos for documentation. Open the outer packaging and remove the Blackboard. Inspect the Blackboard for any dents or scratches. Use the Touch Erase button to clean any marks on the surface. Remove the installation accessory box. Verify that all installation accessories are present and accounted for. If there are any discrepancies or missing parts, take photos and provide feedback immediately. Adjust the adjustable plate. Measure and record the height of the large screen. Adjust the lower bracket according to the height of the large screen to ensure it aligns with the Blackboard. Install the upper hanging bracket of the Blackboard. Use power tools for on-site installation. Take 3 M5x8 cross screws. Install the height adjustment screws for the Blackboard. Install the lower hanging bracket of the Blackboard. Use the provided yellow cross self-tapping screws for fixing. Do not replace these screws with other types. Install the side cover. Connect the side cover using 2 fixing parts. Do not tighten the screws fully. Keep the side cover movable. Wall mounting preparation. Measure the dimensions of the installation wall. It is recommended to use a level for measurement. Refer to the installation manual for drilling positions. Use a 12 mm diameter drill bit for wall drilling. Drill holes and insert wall plugs. Use tools to install the wall mounting brackets and check their stability. Install the connecting parts. Do not tighten the screws fully. Keep the connecting parts movable. Complete the installation of the wall mounting brackets. Pre-connect and organize the power and data cables. E-writing board wall mounting. 2 people are required to mount the Blackboard onto the wall. Adjust the gaps and ensure the Blackboard is level. Fix the upper hanging bracket. Fix the lower hanging bracket. Connect the power and data cables to the Blackboard. Secure the side cover of the Blackboard. Test the one-touch erase function. Test the partial erase function. Clean the installation site after completing the Blackboard installation. Have the customer inspect the product and sign off on the handover of accessories.